The coordinate plane pre-6 lesson notes. Example number 6. Graph the equation formed by the following ordered pairs. So example 6 is just like example 5. Take a moment, go ahead and graph those points on your own. Please make sure that they all fall along the same line. If any one of them do not, that means you did something wrong. Okay, so I'm going to start with -3, 7. So I go to the left 3 because it's negative, and then up 7. -2, 5. To the left 2, up 5. Zero, 1. So I don't go left or right, and I go up 1. Now I'm just going to make sure these points are centered properly. Okay. Next is 1, -1. So I go to the right 1 and then down 1. And then last is 3 over 3 and then down 5. Okay. So, double check. Do your points fall the same place mine do? Are they plotted the same place mine is plotted? Mine are plotted. Okay. Now, you would use your straight edge. I have the luxury of using my Apple pencil here. Draw a straight line. Notice how I extended it past the last points. It doesn't have to go really far past the points, just a little bit. And then at the ends, we put our arrows. And that's your graph for number 6. Now again, I'm going to have you write the equation down. Don't worry about knowing exactly how I found it. That will be a later lesson. But this equation is y equals -2x plus 1. The only thing I want you to recognize here is, notice up in example 5, the x was positive. That line went upward. In example 6, the x is negative. That line is going downward. And when I say upward and downward, you look at the lines and you go from left to right. So in number 5, going from the left point to a right point, it's going upward. In example 6, going from a left point to the right point, it's going downward. In example 5, it's a positive x. In example 6, it's a negative x. Again, we'll be learning more about that in a later lesson. Okay. So that is it for example 6. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask.